Hey, boys and girls in video land, it's Lou Bortone. How you doing? Still fighting a cold, but it's getting there. So I wanted to share with you something that, a couple things actually. First of all, I'll show you how to create these animated backgrounds. If you have a green screen and you use Zoom, you can put pretty much anything you want behind you, including animated backgrounds like these. And in the next video, I'll show you how to do that. But in the meantime, so I can pretend that I'm in an office, or I can just have a really cool like city background, or sort of something more tropical perhaps. So I'll show you how to do that, but for this particular video, I'm going to share my screen, and I want to show you something really important in Zoom, how even with the basic $14 a month level of Zoom, you can go from Zoom to Facebook Live or YouTube Live, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You go to your Zoom settings, so you've got a Zoom account. You go to your settings, and you'll see on the right here all the information, profile, meetings, all that kind of stuff. But you want to go to settings. And the good news about this is all this is set it and forget it stuff. So you only have to do this once. But this is where you decide to start meetings with the host video on, which I do. You can start videos with the participants videos on, which I don't do. So I unclick that one. Audio type, I do telephone and computer audio. Do you want your attendees to be able to join before the host? I really don't. I want to be there first, so I click that off. So all these little settings that you can create to customize your Zoom experience. Do you want to require a password for meetings? You can do that if you want. So there's all kinds of things. Mute participants upon entry. I like that so it's not a noisy call. I have my calendar integrated here. My calendar is integrated with my Gmail calendar. And then you continue to scroll down. There's all kinds of cool stuff here. The chimes, whether or not they play, whether you want a feedback to show up at the end, allow to add co-hosts. I do want to allow to add co-hosts, so I have that clicked. I've got polling set up, allow hosts to put attendees on hold. So basically you can control the entire experience and the entire meeting. But here's where it gets really, really interesting, okay? You've got your whiteboard stuff here, you've got your annotation, all these things. And again, I'm on the basic pro level at $14, $15 a month on Zoom. And this is really cool. This is where you can add breakout rooms. So I just selected this. So now I can allow participants to go into separate breakout rooms during a meeting. And last but not least, the biggie here, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. All the way down here, they have cleverly hidden allow live stream meetings, right? Allow live stream meetings. And this right here is where you are able to, when you click this button to the on position, now you can see that I will allow live stream meetings to Facebook, Workplace by Facebook, which I don't care about, and YouTube. So that means that from my Zoom, I can now go to Facebook Live and YouTube Live. And that will show up. I don't think you can see the toolbar on the recording, but that will show up on your toolbar. So that's pretty cool. So that is something to look for. I'll do a couple screenshots to add to it and show you exactly how it works. But again, I don't know if you can see my tool screen down here, but I'll try to do a screen capture of it. And you'll be able to see that not only do you have breakout rooms, but when you click the more button over here, it allows you to go live to Facebook or live to YouTube. So that's pretty cool. If I click on this right now, I will go right to Facebook Live from Zoom. And that, my friends, is how that works. So that's pretty cool. You can do breakout rooms, you can do animated backgrounds like this, and you can go live to Facebook or live to YouTube from Zoom, even with the basic $14 a month version. So you don't need the big fancy webinar version for that. That's pretty cool. So let me know what you think of that. I'm going to give it a big thumbs up, and we will share more info as we get it. By the way, the entire Zoom, how to use Zoom for video marketing recording is on my video a day sales page. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see that whole hour-long video training that we did for free, and I'll put the link below. All right, that's it for now. See ya.